Good afternoon, traders. This is Eli Tesfaye with R.J.O. Futures, Senior Market Strategist. We're looking at the metals market this afternoon. As you've seen, there's been a lot of weakness across the board, with the exception of copper. The strong report out of China, the PMI report out of China, came out as pretty strong overnight, followed by the ISM this morning on the U.S. side. Basically, gold is just looking at gold right now, gold and silver. Gold is technically, if it takes out 1240 level here, we could see a drop down to 1230 on a long-term weekly chart. And we can even see it all the way down to 1212. So basically, with strong dollar, strong equity, the risk is off. When you have a risk off, what happens is the gold market generally will stay weak. And looking at the commitment of trader with option report, the report that was released back the beginning of the month, the COT report the beginning of the month, the reading from April 29 to May 6 was long 110,473 contracts. And this last Friday's COT report reading from May 20th to 27 shows long 78,638 contracts. And gold right now trading around 1243. When the COT report was measured, the Friday closed around 1251. So obviously there's more longs abandoning the gold market. And there's a talk about the funds are cutting their bullish outlook on gold. So looking at from the beginning of the month report to now, you have on average of over 31,833 contracts just reading the COT report. That reduction in long. So there's over 38,000 contracts basically exit the long side of the trade. And the same story with silver. Silver is basically tracking gold. It's a little bit positive on the day, but I'm looking at the long-term, looking like both for silver and gold, looking at the weekly charts, the weekly technical setups. Like I said, gold could be like 1230 in the 1212 area. For silver, you could be looking at anywhere between 1825 to 1760 areas on the downside. Now, if the situation change and we get into some sort of risk-on situation with the equity market started coming off of the extreme highs they're in right now, we may get some support in gold. So that's about the only scenario I see. There is really nothing on the horizon by way of any conflict. So the only other possibility I see is some long liquidation out of the equity sector could probably push gold market higher. So all in all, this is what we're sitting at right now. If you're long, I would seriously consider making sure that you're managing your risk properly, and that's what we do here. You can't be right on the market all the time, but it's all about managing risk properly. And give me a call when you get a chance. If you have any questions about, if you want to look at some technical outlook, a fundamental outlook, or want to look or learn about some strategies we can put either options or using futures and options, give me a call. Thank you. Futures and options on futures may involve substantial risk and may not be suitable for all investors.